We're done. Now we're coming light sparklers.
Look. Yo, thank y'all for letting me watch over here.
My hands are burnt.
Thank y'all for letting me watch.
Why? I was trying to like two at once.
Thank y'all for letting me watch.
And I thought I was grabbing the one that wasn't lit, and I grabbed the one that was lit.
Ah.
And feel how rough my skin
Mom,
is.
I'm with them.
No, not this one. This one.
Ooh. Look at that.
It's like crap.
Can I help light one of them? Like, I don't want to touch it, but I can help.
There's no more.
Ooh, some of those poppy ones. Yeah, I'm recording sparklers too.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Hey, no, y'all know you can
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And yes, I can count, so.
Yeah. Here.
What? What? I'm lighting it.
No. I already burnt my hand once. Want to see it?
I already saw it. Yeah, you want to see Madison's burnt hand?
I'd go in a family picture.
What? Put your hand out. Oh, I think I just lit
I
my
want to
hair.
break, but I can't pause this.
I think I just lit my hair. That one, and that one.
Can y'all light
She
another
grabbed the
That's not
wrong
this
one.
black stuff. That's
Can
where
y'all
it's
light
burnt.
another
It's all
one?
crusty and gross.
Can I light some?
Tell why.
Can y'all
Because
light
I
those-
grabbed something while I was
Can
trying to
y'all
light
light
two
one of those-
artillery shells
Can
at
y'all
the
light
same
one of
time.
those loud
We
fireworks?
tried to light 3 artillery shells and
I got my braces off.
yeah. Let me see your grills.
I don't have a girl no more, girl.
Well,
I have a retainer in. That's like a...
yeah, we have retainer girl. Now we're trying to light Roman candles. If I can find the, huh?
Not you, Emily was trying to flashlight me, please.
No. My light doesn't show. The light doesn't stop. Oh my god. Better get to the other end.
1,
Pretty.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Goodbye. Mwah.